Here I'm using a pineapple for our gelatin-free pineapple ice cream, the perfect dessert for your Christmas. First, I'm going to remove the core and cut it into small pieces. Now we're going to place everything into a pan and add a bit of water. We cover it and let it cook until the pineapple changes color. Meanwhile, in a smaller container, mix 4 tablespoons of cornstarch with 100 milliliters of water. Once our pineapple is ready, we add our cornstarch mixture on top, followed by 400 grams of heavy cream. Let's stir and remember to keep the heat at a medium temperature. Now let's add 385 grams of condensed milk and mix it really well until the cornstarch is completely cooked and has reached the ideal consistency. Now we're at the right point to remove it from the heat, and we're going to transfer it to a platter. We simply spread it evenly on top, then place it in the fridge until it's completely frozen. The result is incredible. This pineapple ice cream is a fantastic addition to your Christmas dinner. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed another recipe from me in the kitchen. Best wishes and thank you.